my name is Gallissot, feed product specialist at Olmix, and today I will introduce different study results obtained with a specific algae clay complex on the feed efficiency of broilers. Feed efficiency is the key to productivity in animal nutrition since it represents 60 to 80% of the production cost. Improving feed efficiency is also a great leverage to reduce the environmental impact of livestock farming. To improve animals' feed efficiency, Olmix Group has developed an innovative product combining clay and algae in a unique technology to support the activity of digestive enzymes in the intestine and thus support feed efficiency. Olmix is a French group with 25 years of experience in the development of natural animal care products to be used on farms and in the feed. In the past 20 years, Olmix has focused in the development of algae-based solutions with a unique know-how in the harvesting of seaweeds and their processing, either for the extraction of active principles or the combination with clay in unique patented technologies. In the present series of studies, a feed efficiency-oriented technology was tested. It uses extracts from red and green seaweeds to exfoliate Montmorillon clay, in other words, to separate the layers of the clay from one another and thus to maximize their accessible contact surface. This allows to potentiate the natural biocatalytic properties of the clay, that is, to stabilize enzymes in the intestine and so prevent their proteolysis along the gastrointestinal tract. It also provides varied and easily accessible metallic ions to enzymes, which act as cofactors for their activation. Last, it favors the contact between enzymes and nutrients in the intestine, thus increases the yield of digestion. The more accessible the contact surface of the clay, thanks to the exfoliation process, the higher the activity of enzymes and their interaction with the substrate. Previous studies have highlighted the capacity of this algae clay technology to increase the activity of endogenous digestive enzymes and the digestibility of pig and poultry diets. The present work aimed at reviewing the effects of this algae clay complex on broilers' performance depending on the use of exogenous enzymes in the diet. The work was conducted at the University of Viçosa in Brazil with the Professor Rostanio and the Professor Albino. In each study, a control group received feeds with no algae clay complex, and a test group received the same feed supplemented with 0.1% of the algae clay complex in all feeding phases. The three studies differed by their supplementation in exogenous enzymes. None were used in the study 1, phytase was used in all feeding phases of the study 2, and phytase plus carbohydrases, NSP enzymes, were used in all phases of the study 3. These results show that the effect of the algae clay complex on feed efficiency is independent of the use of exogenous enzymes in the diet, making it a master key for feed efficiency. The greatest effect of the algae clay complex being observed in the study 3, which used NSP enzymes and phytase, one may think that the algae clay complex can also benefit the activity of exogenous enzymes and work synergistically with it. This remains to be investigated. Finally, it is interesting to note that the algae clay complex systematically shows the highest effect in the grower and finisher phases, where feed efficiency is the main matter as the animals eat more with decreasing efficiency with time. This is where the highest savings are to be made. Feel free to contact me if you have any question. Thank you for your attention and have a great virtual symposium.